Might you...
Kuya, anong ibig sabihin sa'yo ng power of the moment?
Power of the moment. Major, major.
Major, major.
That's the true definition of
Power
power of the moment.
And dati, sinabi mo, dream is a journey, not a destination.
Yes.
Can you please expand?
I have no idea. I had no sleep that night. It just came out. Journey is what? Not a destination? And well, it means that if you think you got there, kung nandyan ka na, ibig sabihin kung yan ang feeling mo, you're not there yet.
Yes.
It's deep, right?
Okay. Alam niyo po, I just have to add, ladies and gentlemen, si Kuya Martin po, galing pa po ng States. Supposed to be, lilipad po siyang Europe. From the States, papuntang Europe. Kaya lang, umuwi pa po siya ng Pilipinas just for this show.
I wouldn't miss it.
At ang flight niya po, 1 a.m. mamaya po.
Where am I going?
Kuya Martin, thank you very much from the bottom of
Alis na ako?
Maraming salamat.
Tapos na ako?
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa, okay.
At itong gagawin natin...
What are we gonna do?
This is my very special request. Kasi po, nung this was 10 years ago.
Yung bata ka pa?
Bata pa ako.
Okay,
I think
thanks.
10 or 12 years ago, nakipagtulakan po ako sa sa CCP para po makapanood ng kanyang concert. At sabi ko sa sarili ko, one time, kakantahin ko to with my idol. Sana po ay magustuhan po ninyo.